The world of full-size pickup trucks has been transformed in recent years, with two iconic models battling it out for supremacy: the Chevrolet Silverado and the GMC Sierra. Both are designed to haul, tow, and provide a rugged, reliable driving experience, but they each have their own unique appeal. So when it comes to choosing between these two heavyweights, how do you determine which one is truly worth the money? Let's start by acknowledging that pickup trucks are no longer just workhorses, they are integral to a lifestyle. Whether you need a truck for heavy-duty work, weekend adventures, or as a stylish daily driver, your choice of truck says a lot about your priorities. The Silverado and Sierra have earned their reputations as two of the most popular trucks on the market, but which one truly stands out when it comes to features, value for money, and long-term reliability? In this comparison, we'll break down the most important aspects of each truck to see how they stack up against each other. From performance and towing capabilities to interior comfort, technology, and pricing, we'll help you make an informed decision. But before diving into the details, it's important to understand the overarching differences between the Silverado and Sierra. The Chevy Silverado. Built for value and versatility, the Chevrolet Silverado has long been a staple in the full-size pickup truck market. Known for its versatility and wide range of trim levels, the Silverado appeals to a diverse audience, from business owners who need a workhorse to families looking for a reliable vehicle for their daily activities. One of the standout features of the Silverado is its performance options. Whether you're after a base model or a high-performance variant like the Silverado RST or Z71, there's a configuration for just about every kind of driver. The Silverado offers a variety of engines, including the 4.3-liter V6, 5.3-liter V8, and the 6.2-liter V8 in higher trims. There's also a diesel engine option, which provides excellent towing capacity and fuel economy, making it an ideal choice for those who need to haul heavy loads over long distances. When it comes to towing and payload, Silverado is a strong contender. It's capable of towing up to 13,300 pounds with the 6.2-liter V8 engine, making it an excellent option for those who require heavy-duty towing capabilities. Its high-strength steel frame contributes to its rugged durability, and with its relatively affordable price tag compared to other trucks in the segment, it represents great value for money, especially if you're in the market for a work truck that doesn't compromise on performance. Inside, the Silverado features a spacious and functional cabin. While the materials might not always match the more luxurious feel of its competitors, the Silverado provides ample room for passengers and a solid array of infotainment features. The Chevrolet Infotainment 3 system comes standard in most trims, offering a user-friendly interface with smartphone integration, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, a touchscreen, and available features like wireless charging and Bluetooth connectivity. Another advantage of the Silverado is its wide array of configurations. From regular cabs to crew cabs and long beds to short beds, Chevrolet offers plenty of flexibility. This makes it an attractive choice for people who want the ability to personalize their vehicle to meet their specific needs, whether it's for work, play, or both. The GMC Sierra. Premium features, premium price. On the other hand, the GMC Sierra is often seen as the more premium offering in the same family. Built on the same platform as the Silverado, the Sierra distinguishes itself with a focus on luxury, advanced features, and a more refined driving experience. It's designed for those who want the ruggedness of a full-size pickup, but also crave a more upscale aesthetic and feature set. One of the first things that stands out about the Sierra is its high-quality interior. The Denali trim in particular offers a truly luxurious cabin, with premium leather upholstery, wood accents, and a sleek design that rivals some luxury vehicles. For buyers who are willing to spend a bit more, the Sierra offers a range of high-end features such as a 12-inch digital display, Bose premium audio, and real wood accents. creating an atmosphere of comfort and sophistication. If you're looking for a more luxurious truck that still offers the toughness and capability of a full-size pickup, the Sierra is an excellent choice. Like the Silverado, the Sierra comes with a range of engine options, including the 5.3-liter V8 and 6.2-liter V8 with the added option of a 3.0-liter Duramax diesel engine. The diesel option in the Sierra provides excellent towing capability, along with impressive fuel economy for a full-size pickup. The 6.2-liter V8 engine is particularly noteworthy, producing 420 horsepower and 460 pounds-ft of torque, making it a strong contender in the performance and towing departments. Speaking of towing, the GMC Sierra holds its own with a maximum towing capacity of 11,800 pounds, which is slightly less than the Silverado's top-end figure, but still quite substantial. The Sierra also comes with features like the Pro-Grade trailering system, which includes a range of smart towing aids such as trailering cameras and a trailer hitch package to make towing easier and safer. If you plan on towing frequently or carrying heavy loads, these features can be incredibly useful. Additionally, the Sierra offers a unique feature not found in the Silverado, the Multi-Pro tailgate. This innovative tailgate can be configured in several ways, offering greater flexibility when loading and unloading items from the truck bed. It's an excellent addition for anyone who frequently hauls bulky items or needs a versatile tailgate for different tasks. Performance and towing. What really sets them apart? When it comes to performance and towing capabilities, both the Chevy Silverado and the GMC Sierra offer impressive numbers. However, there are subtle differences between the two that could influence your decision. The Silverado is built with a more utilitarian approach, which is ideal for those who need a work truck that can get the job done without all the frills. Its 6.2-liter V8 engine can tow up to 13,300 pounds, which is among the highest in the segment, making it an excellent choice for heavy-duty tasks. On the other hand, the GMC Sierra tends to offer a more refined and comfortable driving experience, especially in higher trims like the Denali. While the towing capacity of the Sierra is slightly lower 11,800 pound-sits, luxury features and attention to detail make it more of a premium option for those who prioritize comfort and upscale features, while still needing a truck that can perform in terms of driving experience. The Silverado leans more toward a rugged, tough demeanor, while the Sierra offers a more smooth, quiet ride. The Sierra's suspension system, particularly in the Denali trim, provides better isolation from road noise and bumps, making it a more comfortable vehicle for daily driving and long-distance trips. If performance and towing capacity are your primary considerations, the Silverado's slightly higher towing capacity and tougher performance credentials may tip the scale in its favor. However, if you're looking for a more luxurious experience without sacrificing towing capability, the Sierra Denali is an option that might suit you better. Price and value for money. Price is another critical factor when deciding between the Silverado and Sierra. While both trucks are priced similarly, the Sierra generally commands a premium due to its higher-end features and luxury elements. The base models of both trucks are similarly priced, but once you start moving up the trim levels, the Sierra's Denali and other high-end trims can easily double the price of the Silverado's higher trims. For example, the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 starts at around $31,000 for the base model, with higher trims like the RST or High Country pushing the price to around $50,000. The GMC Sierra 1500 starts around $35,000, with the Denali trim climbing over $60,000, while the Denali trim offers a host of premium features. It's not the most cost-effective option for those who are primarily concerned with function over form. In terms of value for money, the Chevrolet Silverado is the clear winner for most buyers. With its affordable pricing, impressive towing capacity, and solid interior features, The Silverado offers great value for those who need a work truck or a versatile daily driving vehicle. On the other hand, the GMC Sierra is more of a luxury option, with features that justify its premium price tag for buyers looking for a more refined, upscale driving experience. Which one is actually worth the money? In the battle between the Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra, the decision ultimately depends on your priorities. If you're looking for a rugged workhorse with exceptional towing capacity, a solid interior, and great overall value for the price, the Chevrolet Silverado is likely the better choice. It offers everything you need without the bells and whistles, and its performance capabilities are hard to beat at the price point. However, if you value luxury, comfort, and a more refined driving experience, the GMC Sierra might be worth the extra investment. Its premium features, multi-pro tailgate, and upscale interior make it a standout for buyers looking for a more premium pickup truck that still delivers on performance. Ultimately, both the Silverado and Sierra are excellent trucks, but for most buyers, the Chevrolet Silverado offers the best bang for the buck. If you can afford the luxury features of the GMC Sierra, it's a great option. Ultimately, both the Silverado and Sierra are excellent trucks. But for most buyers, the Chevrolet Silverado offers the best bang for the buck. If you can afford the luxury features of the GMC Sierra, it's a great option. But for those seeking practicality, utility, and value, the Silverado is a hard choice to beat in the end. The decision comes down to whether you prefer luxury over utility, or if you're just looking for a hard-working truck that can get the job done at a competitive price. Whichever way you go, both trucks will likely serve you well for many years to come. Asterisk.